Hello, Fargo Public Schools teachers. We have had several requests to set up classes for flex time in Teach to Learn. So today I'm going to give you a few quick tips on how to do this. Please go to the employee portal and log in. And once you're at the employee portal, you will see your buttons off on the right-hand side, and one of them says Teach to Learn. Please click on that. You will enter the Teach to Learn landing page where you will need to once again enter your login information. Now that I'm actually logged into Teach to Learn, you will see you have several opportunities to choose from different options. If you look across the menu, you will see a yellow or a gold bar on your screen, and one of the options is New Class. So go ahead and click on New Class. On the screen are a series of questions. If you see an asterisk, a red asterisk, that means you must complete the field. We're going to get started. I will make this an active class. As you can see, it automatically filled in my login and email address. I'm going to enter my name in case I need to look this up or anyone else does. The session level will be at the high school, and the title of this class is for our Career and Technical Education Course Alike time. So I am going to enter CTE Course Alike Flex, and this is going to be for our high school marketing. Now we can provide a quick description of this class. As I move down into the list of fields to fill in, you will notice that it says class size. Since this is a small class, I will put 5. This is not a required field for CEUs. The audience is not required either. The PD content is required, so I will click on the drop down and select curriculum development. Since this is for flex time hours, I am going to use 4 hours, so it will be between 3 and 6 hours on the drop down. The building location for this specific event is going to be located at South High School, so I will click South. And since it's after hours, no subs are required, so I will enter 0. To get started, I have to enter a date, and I also need to enter a time. So this event is going to happen in December, so I will click December. I will type in December 12, and the date is 01, and the year is 2019. The start time will be after school, so it is 4, and you must enter AM or PM. In this case, it's PM, and the duration of time. Our event is going to be for 2 hours, so I will put 6 p.m. And again, it's at South High School. And I'll put marketing, room 101. Now, because we have 4 hours required for flex time, and I only use 2, I'm going to add another date. This automatically went to December 2nd, which we are not going to use, so I will change this date to the 9th. And the time is going to be the same, so they already have been filled in for me, and so is the location the same, so we have that already entered. I will scroll down, and I have a list of credit options that we can choose from for each class. In this case, since it is a flex class, we will just need the bottom option 5. I will delete out the other options just because they are not needed in this class to eliminate any confusion. as members enroll in the class. As I move down into the screen, I do not have required fields for institution or form class title, so I will leave those blank. PD leave form is not required. I will click no. Will the class require any computer software or installation? And I will say no. I'm doing this out of courtesy. They would not need to be completely filled in. To actually submit the class, please scroll back up to the top and click Submit. You have now created a class for your flex time. Congratulations! Have fun!